Yes, please. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
This passport and boarding pass.
Passengers are reminded that boarding gates will close 20 minutes prior to the departure.
Hello, good morning, sir. Mr. Malcolm on the other side,
Thank
please.
you. Hello everyone, at ito sa Lukuyan ay nagpapasok na po sila, pero dyan pa rin tayo pagkatapos sa waiting area pa rin, pero pinapasok lang nila yung mga passengers lahat para sa check-in. Okay,
Thank you so much. So you're traveling to Cape Town today. Please follow so number 2
okay. Thank you. Thank you. Chang. Yun, dito sa area na to, naghahanap tayo ng maupuan.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, we are inviting customers seated in zone number 2 and 1 to kindly come forward for boarding. I repeat, please check your boarding passes for your zone numbers. We are inviting customers seated in zone number 2 to kindly come forward for boarding. Thank you.
Ito na, sasakay na ako. We're going to Cape Town, South Africa, my friend. Cape Town na, ready na?
Cape Town na.
Antok na. Alas 7 na.
City na pala.
Alas 7 ng umaga sa Pilipinas. Pero dito guys, alas 2 pa lang ng madaling araw. At dadaan tayo sa tunnel. Dito lang. Wala pa pala. Okay, yan. Nice seat. Kasama pa rin natin sa tabi si Jerome. Yeah. Shout out mo Jerome sa family mo. Ano masasabi mo?
After 6 months, hopefully. See you soon.
Guys, excited na kami bumalik pero malungkot kasi naiwan namin yung pamilya natin. Pero okay lang yan, kakayanin namin para naman sa kanila dito. So, see you Cape Town. Yan, trip natin 10 hours and 47 minutes. Yung total ng trip natin sa Cape Town. Layo man. Flying out.
Inches later.
The service will be available shortly after takeoff. Please be informed that smoking and the use of electronic cigarettes is not
Service right. And please remember to remove all high countries.
A few moments later.
And some tea, coffee, juices, soft drinks, oranges.
Inches later. A few moments. Inches later.
Hello. Bye-bye.
Alright then. Bye, thank you. Bye, thank you.
Immigration. Immigration muna, tapos baggage collection. The whole way. Oh, dito malamig na. Parang Australia dito eh. Baliktad yung weather nila. Kumbaga, ano dyan dito yung tag-snow nila. Paglamig. Oh yeah. Tapos na kami sa immigration, guys. We are done in the immigration. And now we are heading to claim our luggage. Welcome again. Come again. Oh! It's the elephant. Hmm. Hmm. Sit down. Yun ang hipod ko. Yep. Oh. Hello, we meet again. Yan ang bag mo? Yan ang bag ko da. Yan ang bag pati mo. Saan na siya? Saan na isa? Ayun na. Nalit. Again guys, nakabalik ulit tayo dito sa Cape Town. Nakalabas na tayo. At we are waiting for our agent now. Agent.
Your name?
Gilio, Jerome, Glacier. Number 6.
So all of you are here, eh? Only one guy that is not coming.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, only one.
So it's 5 now. It's
6 or 6. Instead of 7.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah.
Okay, you can just wait there because I'm waiting for other guys from this ship. And then
Do we stay in a hotel? How many days?
I think only today.
Only today.
They will
And
pick you up around about 1900 this evening.
they will pick up?
They will pick you up at the hotel today. 1900. Your ETA with the lunch bag. You lunch.
Welcome to Cape Town. Ito, wait lang kami sa ibang grupo guys. Para pupunta na kami ng ibang sa hotel. Kaway ka dyan. Oh, shout out sa pamilya ko dyan. Shout out ka, baka...
Shout out sa pamilya ko dyan sa Pilipinas.
Yan.
Dito na kami sa Cape Town.
Yan. Ang temperature malamig na dito mga... Paano ang temperature dito? 24. Malamig na. Yeah, we are heading to our van. Our van is here. Alright. There are only 6. There are only 6 my friend. Hello. Welcome. Dapat sa kanila marami. Ha? Sa kanila maraming bagay. Sa amin, ganito sa amin. Ha? Ganito ang ko sa amin. Kaya tatlo lang. Ganito. Sa kanila ba? Marami. Oo. Kayo lang sa amin sa kanila. Okay. Thank you. Okay guys, nakaupo na kami ngayon. Okay guys, we are heading to the hotel now. Relax na kami. Yan o.